Good morning from Dubrovnik, Croatia.
We are here at the city gates, which is part of the old ancient walls, which are amazingly intact. And this morning we're doing a tour of the old city and the walls. So stay tuned and come along with us. So if you're coming into Split just for the day by ferry or by catamaran, you'll find these places all over the place down here near the waterfront where you can drop your luggage and store it just for the day. It's a great way if you only have a day to spend here to do it without lugging your luggage all around. So we've just come in to the Pile Gate, which carries you right into this square. And we are buying tickets to go up to the top of the city walls. And our tour will start here. So we've all got our tickets and we start up the first of 1,000 stairs. So in Game of Thrones, Joffrey's name day took place on the top of this fort over here on the rock.